What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing today? If you were to ask me that same question, I would say I am very, very tired. It's pretty early. I'm on my way to work. I don't have a whole lot of time to film, but there are a couple of things that I want to explain to you guys. We're gonna fix one thing on the Civic. We'll rip it really quick, and then you guys will be up to date on what's going on. You'll be informed, and you'll get to see the Civic rip a little bit. Just picked up my favorite coffee. This is a go-to in the morning. Let you grind, baby. Shout out Jack Schiltz. But other than that, I'll see you guys after I get out of work when we're heading to work on the Civic.
So I just got home from work, and I'm gonna be taking the wastegate off the Civic right now so that I can have one of those bolts to bring with me to the auto parts store, to bring with me to Ace Hardware. So you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. One of these bolts fell out, which is super annoying. So I gotta take that one with me so I can go find the exact replacement. That gasket looks like poo-poo. So now I have the bolt. I can bring it with me. I'll probably pick up some more lock washers if I can, so that way I don't run into any more issues. Like I said, today is gonna be a pretty chill day. This is gonna be a lot of me just going around. I gotta fix the Civic a little bit. And then, like I said, I wanna explain to you guys exactly what's going on with the Civic, how much more work needs to be done, exactly what needs to be done, all that stuff. Come on, go to the bathroom. Also, I want to explain what's going on with the 335i, if I plan on building that. I don't know. I'm at kind of a weird place with my cars right now, and I don't know. We're going to talk through it today. Bam, new wastegate stuff. New wastegate hardware. It's all in. It's good. We're gonna start her up. We're gonna let her warm up. I still haven't taken off the 916, which is kind of a poser move, but I don't have time. I gotta get to work. I'm actually running a little bit late, which sounds stupid because I know I was just at work, but I do have to go back to work. I'm scheduled pretty much all day. So I'm gonna take you guys with me on the cruise to work, and then after work, I'll fill you in on what's going on with the Civic. I'll sit down at the desk, we'll talk, we'll have a heart-to-heart. So we are nowhere near running temp, but I'm just cruising. So far it feels good. Obviously what I did today shouldn't really mess with how it drives. Still nice, I haven't driven this car in a couple of days, so nice to get back behind the wheel. So I still can't really rip it because I don't have a lot of space, but I'll give it a little baby second, actually I'll just do third. Into boosts, my boys, into boost. I love boost so much. Oh my lord. Turbos are the freaking bomb. All right, dudes. So you guys just saw the Civic ripping a little bit. Picked up this fancy new lav mic. Actually, I had this lying around. My brother gave it to me. I just had to go get a battery for it, and hopefully it's working pretty good. I think it's a pretty cool new tool for me to use during my filmmaking process. But anyway, let's talk about the Civic. So I'm at kind of a weird place with the Civic right now. I don't know what's next. I don't know what to do next. My original goal was brakes, rear disc conversion, seats, and basically just a bunch of like driver mods and safety mods just in general. So like the brakes especially, but then I also want to fix all the rust. And on top of fixing the rust, I want to paint the engine bay. I want to make the engine bay look nice because it looks like a turd right now. That's the best way for me to say it. It looks pretty bad in the engine bay, and I just went to a car meet. I'm gonna put some photos on the screen right now. Those engine bays that I saw on those Civics were sick. They looked so good. There are literally so many things that I want to do to the Civic right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a poll at the top of this video page that you're seeing right now, and I want you guys to vote on what I should do next. Safety and driver mods, fix the rust, or engine bay. I personally really want some new seats. I want new brakes so bad, but they're so expensive that it's gonna be difficult for me to attain right now. But then again, so are seats, so is rust repair. You gotta buy paint, you gotta buy Bondo. Rust repair is probably the cheapest one. Engine bay is just gonna be a ton of work, but it shouldn't be too expensive overall. I don't know. There's a lot of things to think about here. I don't really know what I want to do next. I know that I really want to get seats in that thing because the seats that are in it right now are unbearably small for my size. Just a very tall dude, and those seats literally cut off like below my shoulders. My shoulders hit the headrest, like where the headrest starts. It's pretty uncomfortable. But then I'm also torn because I want to start doing things to this, just like small things here and there. I guess what I'm asking your guys' advice on is, should I continue to focus on the big picture items or start to dig into the small details. Like I said, brakes, seats. I would love to get a short shifter for the 335i. Like these are like big items, whereas like rust repair, engine bay stuff, that's just work. That's really just work. So I'm really curious on your guys' opinions on this stuff. Please let me know what you guys think. Please fill out that survey that's up there. I'm also getting really close to 3,000 subs, which is insane because we literally just hit 2,500 like a month ago. So that's really cool. I'm still working on merch stuff. I just got some bank stuff sorted out for that. And my goal is to have items for sale by the end of August. I won't show you guys exactly what things are gonna look like, but I do wanna do some jet tags and some hats. I really like this style of hat, this trucker hat, but I don't really like how tall this one is. I kind of want a more low profile trucker hat style going on, and I really do like just the PCEA big letters in the front. We're gonna see what I come up with, but I do want to make it kind of themed. I do want to kind of do it as like a drop and then work on designing something else after this one and do another drop after that. So I would love to just continuously update the merch and never really sell the same things twice. So that's all that I really have to say. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was very chill. I know it wasn't very exciting, but the Civic's working properly again, which is awesome. I got a lav mic, which is awesome. And hopefully you guys can help me decide what I'm gonna do with the Civic next. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.